Hello student, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to second part of matrix in which we discuss about the properties of matrix and types of matrices. Okay, now let's start. First, properties of matrices. There are some properties you have to remember for your board exam. Consider A, B, C are three matrices. First property is distribution law. A in bracket B plus C equals to AB plus AC. That is, you can distribute A over the sum of B and C from left side as well as from right side. Okay, this is, and for multiplication, A in bracket BC equal to AB in bracket in C. In first video we already discussed that AB is not equal to BA in general. What is this? AB equals to BA is possible only when matrices A and B follow commutative law, and AB and BA both are possible. Okay, next, if AB equal to 0, not necessarily imply A equals to 0 or B equals to 0, means it may possible A not equal to 0 and B not equal to 0, but AB gives 0. Next property, AB equals to AC not necessarily implies B equal to C, means this is not necessary. If AB equal to AC, then this implies B equal to C. Okay, now operation of matrices. First, properties. Here we take an example to show distribution of matrix A over the sum of B and C. Okay, now start. Let x equal to B plus C. We consider B plus C equal to x. Then B plus C equal to x. Okay, and xij, and what types of element? X include the elements of B, which is written as Bij, and element of C, this is written as Cij, and element of X can be written in the form Xij equal to Bij plus Cij. Okay, now our question becomes, LHS becomes A and B plus C is X, then LHS become AX, and consider this by Y. Okay, now what are the elements of matrix Y? The elements of Y can be written in the form Yij, which becomes summation of Aik and Xkj, and after substituting the value of X you get this. Now multiplying Aij in this bracket, you get this separating summation from elements on elements, you get this and this term. Obvious, this is the term of matrix AB and this is the term of matrix AC. Thus this is equal to RHS. Hence you easily prove A in bracket B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Now we discuss about types of matrices. There are many types of matrix. First is identity matrix, inverse of a matrix, transpose of a matrix, symmetric matrix, and orthogonal matrix. First, identity matrix. Identity matrix is a square matrix. What is square matrix? Is matrix is square if number of rows and number of columns are equal, that is n by n order. Okay, a square matrix whose elements aij equal to 0 for I greater than j is called upper triangular matrix. Means in a matrix, if elements of below the principal diagonals are 0 and above principal diagonals are not 0, then matrix is known as the upper triangular matrix. Similarly, if the elements of matrix above the principal diagonal are 0 and below the diagonal are non-zero, then matrix is known as the lower triangular matrix. Next, both upper and lower triangular matrix in which elements above and below of principal diagonals are 0. Okay, such type of square matrix is also known as the diagonal matrix. Now, both upper and lower triangular matrix. In this matrix, element of principal diagonal above and below both are 0 and elements of diagonals are non-zero. Then this is known as the upper as well as lower triangular matrix, and this matrix is also known as diagonal matrix. In general, we can write aij equal to 0 for I not equal to j. In particular, a11 equal to a12 equal to a33 equal to 1, then such matrix is known as the identity matrix. What is identity matrix? A square matrix in which elements of principal diagonals are 1 and all other elements above the diagonal and below the diagonals are 0, then such type of matrix is known as the identity matrix. And its property is ai equal to ia equal to a, where I is the identity matrix. Okay, here is example identity matrix of 2 by 2 order, and this is the example of identity matrix of 3 by 3 order. Okay, we know AB is not equal to, this sign is not equal to, AB not equal to BA in general. Okay, however, if two square matrix A and B are such that AB equal to BA, then matrix A and B are said to be commute. Okay, if AB equal to BA, then matrices are said to be commute or follow commutative property. Now a question for you, can you suggest any two matrices that must commute with square matrix A? क्या आप ऐसा कोई एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं जिसमें two matrices that must commute with square matrix A? Think. Yes, answer is here A itself the identity matrix. ओके, आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स एक ऐसी मैट्रिक्स है जो किसी भी मैट्रिक्स के साथ कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी को फॉलो करेगी. देन वी कैन राइट ए आई इक्वल टू आई ए इक्वल टू ए. ओके, next point is if A and B such that AB equal to minus BA, then A and B are said to be anti-commute. Okay, if AB equal to BA, then matrix commute, and if AB equal to minus BA, then matrices are said to be anti-commute. Next, now we discuss inverse. So for inverse, A and B are two matrices such that AB equal to BA equal to I, means AB equal to BA, that is A and B commute, and this gives equal to identity matrix. Then matrix A and B are said to be इनवर्स ऑफ ईच अदर, मीन्स ए का इनवर्स बी है और बी का इनवर्स कौन है? ए. एंड इनवर्स ऑफ ए इज रिटन एज ए इनवर्स, इनवर्स ऑफ बी इज रिटन एज बी इनवर्स. ओके, in this case if AB equal to BA, A inverse equal to B or B inverse equal to A. Now take an example. Here a matrix A and B are given. Now on multiplying A and B, multiplication already discussed in first video. If you calculate AB and BA, both gives identity matrix. In this case, A and B are inverse of each other. Now we proceed for a transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix is written as A dash or AT. ठीक है? In transpose of matrix, we have to interchange the rows and column of a matrix. Let an example. Here is the transpose of matrix can be written AT equal to, you have to convert row in form of column. Then 1, 2, 3 is written in column, and 4, 5, 6 is written in second column. Okay. Then in general, a matrix A equal to Iij is transpose is written as Bij, where Aij Bij equal to Aji, means you have to interchange row and column. Next is symmetric matrix. In symmetric matrix, if transpose of a matrix is equal to itself, then matrix is known as symmetric matrix. Okay. Now written this, a matrix A such that AT equal to A means transpose of matrix equal to itself, then matrix is known as symmetric matrix. In general, we can write Aij equal to Aji. Now a question for you, is A plus A transpose must be symmetric? क्या किसी मैट्रिक्स और उसके ट्रांसपोज को ऐड करने पे सिमेट्रिक बनेगा या नहीं बनेगा? लेट्स सी. You have to check by taking this example. Now we move for skew symmetric matrix. In skew symmetric matrix, transpose of a matrix is equal to negative sign of itself. Means if A dash equal to minus A, then matrix is known as skew symmetric. Next one is orthogonal matrix, most important. A matrix is called orthogonal matrix if A transpose equal to A transpose A equal to I. Okay. In this case, as you know, if AB equal to BA equal to I, then A and B are known as the A and B are known as the inverse of each other. In this case, A transpose equal to I, then we can write by the property of inverse, A and A transpose are inverse of each other. Then what the condition becomes for orthogonal matrix? In orthogonal matrix, transpose of a matrix is equal to its inverse. Okay. This is example. You can verify by substituting the value of A and A transpose. Now some important properties. AB to whole transpose equal to B inverse, inverse. AB inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. A transpose equal to A. Okay. And IA identity matrix and A transpose equal to identity matrix and A transpose. Okay. As you know, transpose of identity matrix itself an identity matrix. Next, A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Now you can easily verify AB inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. Okay. Now since AB into B inverse A inverse equal to, after interchanging the bracket, A BB inverse A inverse, now you know BB inverse equal to I identity matrix, then this equation becomes a I a inverse. Okay, but you know a I equal to I a, then this equation becomes I a inverse. Okay, and I a inverse equal to I, then I into I means I. Okay, thus you can write this value becomes I. Similarly, you easily verify B inverse A inverse AB equal to I. Okay, what you saw, this into this equal to I. So B inverse A inverse is the inverse of AB. Thank you and good luck.